In this video, we're going to teach you how to make 2 face masks out of a white t-shirt. You'll need a pair of scissors and the t-shirt. First things first, cut the sleeves off both sides. These are going to make your face masks, form the actual mask. You want to cut strips from the bottom of the t-shirt. I've cut off 3 here, 2 for the straps of each mask, and also an extra one, so if you wanted to, you could make a bag from the rest of the t-shirt that you have left over. Next, you want to decorate each sleeve. You only need to decorate one side because only one side will be showing. We've used fabric pens here, and to make those fabric pens set onto the fabric, all you have to do is just iron it afterwards. Do whatever design you like. I've just done a simple eye design here. Spots work quite nicely, stripes, or just a character. You could even do a mouth if you wanted. Once you've decorated it, take one of your loops of strip from the bottom of the t-shirt, insert it through the middle of the sleeve, and then pull each side from left to right, and those will form the loops of the face mask to pop over your head. This should fit nicely onto your face, but if it's a little bit too big, you can always pop a knot in the back of each strip of fabric, and that will make it tighter to your head.